Welcome back, my beautiful prepping family. I'm here at a Piggly Wiggly. Came by to see if they have any shortages, empty shelves, or how bad their price inflation has been. See if they gotten any food as well due to this diesel crisis that's going on right now. You know, truckers are not going to work due to it, and especially that it's going to be shortages on diesel here shortly. All right, so stay tuned. I'm about to show you. Piggly Wiggly. Starting over here with their eggs. 60 eggs for $18.99. 60 eggs for $18.99. I think that's a little way too high. They're 30 eggs for $9.67. Man, price inflation is serious here. Their milk, $4.39 a gallon. Red and blue cap. Reduced fat, $4. Here goes their juice aisle. And this is the baby section right here. They have some food here for the babies, you know, but not so much filled. They got some formula, better than other stores, I'll tell you that. Definitely they do. I mean, this is Piggly Wiggly's. They do have baby formula, and then they have this here on the beans, two for $5 on the beans, 2 for $3 on these beans right here. And your canned goods. The oil section does look scarce. They have some empty spots, empty shelves as well. They have some pork chops here, $2.15 a pound. This Piggly Wiggly's is not all that big. I thought it looks big from the outside, but I thought it would be bigger. Quarter bag, 10 pounds for $8.50. That's what the bag looks like. Chicken, $2.04 a pound. Bags, $3.65 a pound. Ground beef, $3 a pound. No, $3.59 a pound actually. Here goes their Chef RD section. Got some empty shelves here. The pasta section. I mean, he's putting out some stuff, but not a lot. Piggly Wigglies. So here's the infant stuff as well. Backed around to it. The cereal section looks scarce as well. Some empty shelves here. Here goes their bagged cereal right here. Their bread, not fully stocked. It's getting close to becoming an empty shelf shortly. But their bread not fully stocked at all. But this is what a Piggly Wiggly's look like. I thought it would be a lot bigger, people. I thought it would. We'll have some empty shelves here as well. Some of the spots very light. Not so much filled in as you would expect. You know, as if everything was normal, back to norm, it would have been packed. These shelves would have been stocked up, you know. Piggly Wiggly sign. So I came here to Piggly Wiggly today to show you guys what it looked like inside. It looks bigger on the outside than it does on the inside. It's very small. To see if there's empty shelves, price inflation. You know, I know that everybody's struggling with these times, and especially with this diesel situation going on. How they're going to be on shortages here shortly, especially as they're going to rise to $10 a gallon of diesel. I mean, that's ridiculous. Our gas, as it is rising as well. But man, diesel at $10, that's crazy. I would like for you guys in the comments to let me know where you're from and how bad it is in your area. If there's empty shelves, if gas prices have went up high, if you're seeing this rotation continuing around in your area and how bad it is. It would be greatly appreciated if you guys could comment. That way everybody kind of knows, you know, what or where these same things are happening. You know, this crisis is going to hit here soon, with the gas and diesel going back up. You know, I mean, it's crazy. And not only that, how about this situation with the baby formula, man? That, you know, I know new parents that just had infants, you know, newborns, that they got to drink formula, infant formula, you know, and they can't even replenish it. It's just crazy. They can't replenish it at all. Yeah, I would like to hear from you guys. It'd be greatly appreciated. Y'all could put those in the comments, in the comment section. That way y'all talk amongst each other as well, you know. Get to know one another. It'd be great. I mean, that's the important key here, for us to move forward in a better way, you know what I'm saying, as one to another, you know. Let's build a great community as well. For those who are new here, please make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Those that are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that like button and that notification bell. It'd be greatly appreciated. It would help out tremendously. It is free to do so. You know, it doesn't cost you a dime. You know, just to hit that like button, that, you know, subscribe button, and the thumbs up. You know, I mean, it's just more than anything. Comments really help. It, you know, I would love to see you guys interact more with this channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. All right. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Y'all be safe.